Hello, my name is Ornitza and I'm your Yclas instructor. In today's video, we're going to talk about general settings, more specifically how to activate maintenance mode. So, as most of you already know, maintenance mode allows you, the administrator, to have full access to your website during the maintenance mode. Now I'm going to show you how to activate the maintenance mode by showing you the steps that you have to follow. So you have to log in your admin panel, then you have to select settings, go to general settings, and from there you have to set the maintenance mode option on. Then you have to click the save button. So now I'm going to show you how actually to do that. Without further ado, now general settings, and it's over here. Now when I enable it, you're gonna see that my website, as you can see, will be unavailable for other users to see. I will be the only one who can see how my website looks. So I'm gonna save the changes. I'm already in maintenance mode, so only I can see my website. Now I'm going to show you how my website would look if I am not logged in my admin account. So this will pop up. You can actually change this text. Classifieds, we're looking on your website, please visit later, etc. This is how the website looks for any other user. Now I'm gonna log back in. Okay. So basically this is how you turn on your maintenance mode by going to general settings and then enable the maintenance mode and saving the changes. Now let's go back. And the other thing I would like to show you is how to allow or disallow bots and crawlers. So what is the purpose of a bot? An internet bot, also known as a web robot or simply bot, is a software application that runs automated tasks or scripts over the internet. In general, bots perform tasks that are both simple and structurally repetitive at a much higher rate than would be possible for a human alone. So there are many reasons why developers might want to block robots from their sites. And some of those reasons are the fact that not all bots are good. As you know, some are bad and they can crash your system. Or if you don't, now you know what might happen. The other fact is that granting bot access to generally leave a site exposed and vulnerable to viruses, etc. Then there is, of course, the privacy, copyrights, and legal issues. So now we're going to see how to allow bots and crawlers on your site in steps. As you can see, you have to be logged in your admin panel, then select settings and general. So the other one option is to toggle the disallow or to toggle the disallow blocks and then click off. It's pretty simple and I'm gonna show you immediately how to do it. As you can see, I'm in my general settings, then I'm gonna scroll down and it's over here. Disallow bots and crawlers. Now you can enable it, it depends what you want, but if you don't want them, you just click on disable, scroll down, save the changes, and that's it. That's all you have to do in order to protect your website. So thank you for watching the video and I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.